This is technology called Hand of Hope. This is a robotic device, EMG-driven robotic arm, which helps people to recover after brain injury or stroke. We developed this technology together with Hong Kong Polytechnic University from 2008 to 2012. And since 2012, we launched product to the market. We got CE mark, and now the product is available in several countries in Europe. So the concept behind this called neuroplasticity. And neuroplasticity is the ability of our brain to create a new pathway to perform specific function, for example, hand motor function. Because right after the stroke, when part of the brain which is responsible for hand movement is damaged, right? So person may not be able to control his hand as used to be, like may move a little bit like this or cannot move it at all. In this situation, we use Hand of Hope system, our robotic device which helps people to recover after the stroke. So how it works? We are going to attach the hand brace exoskeleton, and then we have here two EMG sensors. These sensors able to detect the signal coming from patient hand, like flexor and extensor group of muscle, send it to robotic device. Robotic device receives the signal, and if signal coming from extensor group of muscles, it opens. If from flexor, it's grasping. Okay? So the neuroplasticity is actually, because of this kind of exercise, it can create a new pathway to perform hand motor control. So basically, another part of the brain can take the function to perform this hand motor function, right? So in order for neuroplasticity to happen, we need to have active participation, and we need to repeat it as many times. And that's all about Hand of Hope system. Because here we have EMG signal sensors, it allows us to have active training, patient actively involved while doing the exercise using Hand of Hope system, okay? And because robotic device, the advantage of robotic systems technology, it allows you to repeat it as many times as basically patient can and want. So you repeat it more times, actively participating, you have stronger connection inside of your brain to perform hand motor control. That's how rehabilitation going on using Hand of Hope system. And I just would like to show you exactly how it moves, how robotic device in action. So as we can see here, those linear actuators perform hand opening and grasping. And specifically for the hand, to train, to help people to do the opening and grasping exercise. And the current clinical protocol is like when we do rehabilitation, first we start from shoulder, go to elbow, and then we move to the hand. However, based on our clinical trials and published research papers, we found out if you start from hand, elbow and shoulder is automatically included. And we used Fugl-Meyer assessment test and ARAT test to track the improvement. So basically we proved that if you use Hand of Hope system, the improvement for motor function is done not only for the hand, but for the whole arm, for elbow and shoulder. That means that actually using Hand of Hope system, the rehabilitation time is shorter. So basically, patient can recover much faster than using the traditional way, traditional protocol of using, of doing the therapy.
How do you see the future of this technology?
We have 7 people in our company doing R&D, and we plan to develop this technology further on. For example, we plan to launch a home, specifically for home users, that they could use the device at home, simpler version of the device. Okay, we also plan to develop more Android-based application, mobile application, that people could submit the app and play different games, to develop more games to make the rehabilitation more interesting and fun for the patients, right? So basically, our plan is to let the device available for more people, to decrease the cost of the for the technology, and that more people could benefit it, because every year around, according to World Health Organization, 15 million people suffer a stroke. Stroke is the leading cause of the disability worldwide, and around 5 million of them every year who survive have problem with upper hand motor function. So there is a huge amount of people who needs this kind of technology to help them to recover. So our main goal in our company, we try to make device available to as much as possible people we can.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.